এটা কিন্তু এখন আপনার রেকর্ডিংটা রেড ইয়েটা দেখাচ্ছে না, মানে স্টার্ট হয়েছে সেটা দেখাচ্ছে না, অন প্রসেস আছে।
হয়ে যাবে ম্যাডাম, আমি ফেসবুক লাইভ করেছি, আপনি স্টার্ট করতে পারেন, ওটা অন হয়ে যাবে। এই তো জাস্ট অন হয়ে গেছে।
ওকে, a very good afternoon to my dear students. Good afternoon to all. Good afternoon and all my colleagues who are present here.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon. We have today with us our guest speaker as Mr. Shumon Shikdar, who is, as you all know, who is the training and placement officer of the institute, that is Technic Polytechnic Institute. We are fortunate enough to have with us Mr. J.S. Dhar, who is also the training and placement advisor of the institute. And let's start this. Let's start the webinar because it's almost 8 minutes past 3. And you all know the fourth semester students, basically the fourth semester students, and do have many questions in their mind regarding the campus interview, how to prepare themselves, and the other well-wishers who are watching this live session today, they will also have the same questions. So your questions, you will get the answers of your questions today, that how you can be successful in this type of campus interview. At first, I would request Mr. J.S. Dhar, sir, if you please give our students and the well-wishers who are watching this live program some tips which they can apply for becoming successful, to bring success in their campus campus recruitments. Sir, please unmute your microphone. It is in mute mode.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Thank you very much, Prita, for giving me the chance to speak. But I won't speak much because Shumon is holding the meeting, and he's quite enough for giving all the tips to the students. And I will only show my best wishes to the students that they are successful in the job interview, and the types of the job interview Shumon will be explaining. And I do not think that I should take much of your time. So now I give it over to Shumon.
Yeah, thank you, Prita. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this. So I straight away go to the presentation. Just a minute. Let me share my screen. So can you see it now? Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, Prita, you are saying something, Prita.
Yes, sir, before you give the students some tips regarding the how to prepare themselves for campus interviews and campus interviews. Now we are all in a very crisis situation. So the students of different institutes, they may have a question that in this pandemic situation, will they get any opportunity or not? Because most of the students, I have found that they have this type of questions in their mind, that will they get any opportunity, because this type of situation, there are crises in almost in every field. So if you say something regarding to this, that whether they need to get tensed or they need to move forward and prepare themselves for tough competition or whatever. So I want you to share this thing with the students.
See, Prita,
and also yes, sir.
Please carry on.
Okay,
Yes, please carry on.
the students all, sir, excuse me once.
Yeah.
So students, those who have joined late, let me say you one of let me introduce to you that today we have the guest speaker as Mr. Shuman Shikdar. He's a training and placement officer of TICTIC and of Technic Polytechnic Institute, and also the viewers who have joined us in the last few minutes or last few seconds. And let me say about myself, I am Preetha Banerjee, lecturer of Science and Humanities Department. And so this month, and this particular webinar is organized by the Science and Humanities Department of Technic Polytechnic Institute. So over to Shuman Shikdar, sir. Sir, please continue with this, with the answer that this. I think this will be the question from every students, like our dear students. So, sir, please continue.
So, see, thank you, Preetha. This being a very long question, I would try to answer it at the end of the session. I'll take 10 minutes at the end so that we take these questions then. But for the time being, the short answer is there is nothing to worry. In the pandemic situation, we have been conducting campus recruitments. Boys are going to several places. They are joining in certain companies. Those who want a job, they have a job here. The economy is turning and there is not much to panic. I think we have left the bad days behind and all the good days are in front of us. So before I've kept the last 10-15 minutes for question answer session and answer all the queries. But let us first understand what we have to do. What is our role? What a student has to do to get a job through campus recruitments? Okay. Now I'm trying to present my screen. So it's a 30 minutes presentation, and then at the end of the presentation, I'll be taking questions and try to answer those questions. So is that visible? Is that visible to all? Is that visible? Hello?
No, sir.
Still not.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
That is it.
Okay. Now, is it visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us go straight
Yes,
away
sir.
to the job interview. So, a job interview is a professional conversation. এটা পেশাদারিত্ব কথাবার্তা, পেশাদারি লোকেদের কথাবার্তা between an interviewer and an interviewee. Now, who is an interviewer? Somebody who takes the interview. It is the recruiter. And then who is the interviewee? Is the candidate. So it's a professional conversation between an interviewer and interviewee. It is an assessment tool in his selection process. So it is an assessment tool. You assess the qualities, the competencies, the behavioral patterns of a candidate. So what is the objective of an interview? Why do we do this interview? So we try to match the employees with the employer. We are trying to match the employees with the employer. It is an assessment tool so that the best suited person is there for the job. Now, I'll be focusing my discussion essentially on campus recruitment drives. So normally the campus recruitment drives begins after, say, in normal course, pandemic it has changed, but normally it begins, after January maybe, and it continues for maybe 7 to 8 months. So we do the campus recruitment mainly in the times of during 6th semester. So you appear, you have passed the 5th semester, or maybe you're appearing for 5th semester, and then that is a season for campus recruitment drives. So how do we do the process? The process it's a step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. It's a process. There's an input and there's an output. That's a process. So first of all, we have, if you remember, students, we have asked you to do the online enrollment. So many of students have done that. So what we do, we send a notice inviting application for job to all the email IDs. Those email IDs, these are registered with us, they get this notice inviting application for the job. And inside the notice, you will have the name of the company, the job location, the job description. You have then at the end you will be asked how to apply. You will be then you can apply through the given link. There's a link there, or you will be asked to submit your CV at a particular email ID. So you submit the CV, and then what we do as a training placement department, we send all those CVs to the company, and then the company shortlists the candidates. Upon shortlisting, the company comes to our campus for campus recruitment. So they do a pre-placement talk. Mane placement howar age ekti kotha barta. They talk about the company. They talk about the note. You see, remember we have given a notice. We had given a job description. So the company will tell you in details about the job. Where is the posting? What's the salary? How do you reach there? So all these things are discussed in the pre-placement talks. Then we have the pre-placement talk, and then we have the written test and online test. Those who are shortlisted, they are called for the written test or online test. It is an aptitude or reasoning or maths and English. Now this particular thing, this aptitude, reasoning, math or English, this is very important. And this is a common to any kind of job, whether it's campus recruitments or government jobs or defense, any kind of things. You always have this aptitude, reasoning, English or math, that online or written test. And then you have a group discussion, which is an optional. We have seen the last 1.5 years after post-pandemic that the group discussion is not in practice because it involves a group of people. So since gathering is not allowed, so group discussion has we've not seen in the last few years. And then we have the interview. After interview, we have the selection. So this is our.
I would like to tell one thing here.
Yes, sir.
If you allow me, Shuman.
Yes, sir. Please, you are allowed, sir. Please. You are welcome, sir.
After this, number 5 and number 6, these are basically the elimination test, because for particular number of jobs, there may be a lot of students. So this is the way of eliminating. But the main thing is the interview, where the technical things are discussed and questioned. So the students must be very, very strong in their technical subjects. If everybody has got his own branch, and they should be very strong in their subjects so that they can answer the questions put by the interviewer. And by this, I do not mean that the others are not important. Online, written test, aptitude, reasoning, English, math, group discussion, these are very, very important. This is the first step to go for the interview. And the last test step is the technical interview. So one must be. Anybody is telling me anything?
No, there's some background noise. Yes, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
So I would just tell my dear students that group discussion or online written test, pre-placement talk, whatever may be the thing, one should be very, very good, well prepared for the technical interview. So
yes, sir.
I finish there. Take over, Shuman, please.
Yes, sir. So the entire idea behind writing all these points is that if you see the interview portion, you can get an interview call only after you pass those 6 steps. So you will not be called for the interview on even the first day. So there is a process. There are steps to getting the interview call. Okay. So that is the whole idea of telling this. Now, because we have taken the subject interview, I wanted to tell the chronological things. I want to tell the steps. So what are the types of interview that we have nowadays? We have the Google Meet, Zoom Meet, MS Team Meet. These are online tests. Then we have the telephonic interview. We have the face-to-face interview, and we've got a walk-in interview. As you know, the Google Meet, we are doing the Google things here. The same thing is there. You log in, and there's an interview there. Maybe 1 or 2 persons there, or maybe 4 people are there. They are taking your interviews. You see, I've written the interview panel. It is 1, 2, or 3 members. I mean, the persons who are taking the interview, the recruiter is called the panel. In that team, there could be 1 person, there could be 2 person, there could be 3 person also. Okay, so 1 from HR or 1 from technical, or maybe there are 3 people, each having their own expertise. Okay, the interview can be telephonic, and the interview can be face to face. Face to face means non-online. It's non-online, face to face. You sit in front of him, and there's another thing called walk-in interview. It's also a face to face interview. What is a walk-in interview? That suppose this is very common. If you look at the newspapers, in the newspapers you will find those walk-in interviews. এবার থেকে তোমরা লক্ষ্য করবে যে খবরের কাগজে walk-in interview, there are certain things. So they ask you to directly appear for the interview. There is no need to apply. There is no need to submit your CV here. Got it? But in the first 3 cases, Google Meet or maybe telephonic and face to face, you have to pass through a process. You have to submit all these CVs. But there are changes also. Anyways, so walk-in interview, what I'm saying is straight away walking to a company and they call you for the interview on a particular date and you give the interview there. So that's the interview types. Now, this is one thing. See, whatever I've taken here has a correlation, has been taken from your DLS2 subject. Okay, so I'm limiting myself to essentially to DLS2 subject. Okay, the developmental life skill. Now we'll dwell upon this questions very here. These are of very good importance. Now, what are the probable interview questions? কি ধরনের question interview তে হতে পারে? So the questions are from technical and human resources. Technical questions, civil, survey, electrical, and human resources. Manav Sampad, human resources. There's a HR manager. So they ask those questions. Or ওই ধরনের question. যেমন ধরো, if I ask you a question, tell me about yourself and introduce yourself. Is that an HR question or technical question? Can anyone tell me?
HR question, sir.
Very good. It's an HR question. And you can be rest assured, 70% of the interviews that you face will be asking you, tell me about yourself. अपने बारे में बताओ. अपने बारे में बताओ. तुम कौन हो? तुम्ही के? Who are you? Tell me about yourself. तुम्हारी हुनर क्या है? What are your skill sets? Why should we hire you? Why did you choose diploma engineering? এগুলো বেসিক প্রশ্ন, একদম ডিপে যাচ্ছে প্রশ্নগুলো। তুমি ডিপ্লোমা পড়তে এলে কেন? Why did you choose diploma engineering? What are the major subjects in your course? This is technical. Subject में क्या पढ़ाते हो? क्या पढ़ते हो subject में? बहुत लड़का, I have seen many boys who have been asked this question, they have fumbled and they don't even know the answer. What are the subjects they have studied? And I mean, the current subjects, forget the second or fourth or fifth semester, the current subject they are not able to answer. What are the subjects in your course? The technical question, mostly fundamental. কোনো hi-fi out of syllabus নয়, একদম fundamental, basic question, যেটা commonsensical engineering. Engineering is very, very commonsensical. बेवकूफ नहीं कर पाएगा engineering. So questions are very technical, very fundamentals. Okay? Now another question is, what do you know about our company? हमारे company में क्या जानते हो? Why should we select you? Wow, so many people are there. Why should we select you? Okay, so your strength and weakness. See, these are the questions you ask yourself, and these are introspection. তুমি নিজেকে নিজে চিনতে পারবে এই প্রশ্নটা তুমি উত্তর দাও। What are your strength? আমরা কি জানি আমাদের strength কি আছে? আমরা weakness কি আমরা কি জানি? আমাদের strength এর উপর আমরা কতটা কাজ করছি, weaknessটাকে আমরা কতটা সরাতে চাইছি। So those are the things, your strength and weakness. Are you ready to relocate? Any family constraint? Any family constraint মানে হচ্ছে তুমি কি রিলোকেট, মানে হচ্ছে এখন তুমি লোকেটেড আছো হাওড়াতে, তুমি রিলোকেট করতে চাও কি পুনাতে? এইটা, আর ইউ রেডি টু রিলোকেট? এনি ফ্যামিলি কনস্ট্রেইন্ট, অনেকে তাকে বাবার এক ছেলে বা কোনো ফ্যামিলি সমস্যা আছে, আছে, বা অনেক ফিমেল ক্যান্ডিডেটস আমরা দেখেছি যে হয়তো রিলোকেট করতে চাইছে না। তো তোমার সমস্যা আছে কিনা, অন্য কোনো স্টেটে বা অন্য কোনো রাজ্যে বা অন্য কোনো জেলাতে রিলোকেট করতে পারবে কিনা, বা সিভিলের ক্ষেত্রে সাইটে তো যথেষ্ট কষ্টকর কাজ, সেখানে তুমি থাকতে পারবে কিনা। সো আর ইউ any family constraint for relocation? So these are some of the basic questions. Okay, ask yourself these questions. If you ask yourself this question, you will and if the person sitting in front of you gets a good answer, he will love you. So I think the most commonly used question is, tell me about yourself or introduce yourself. I've seen YouTube, it's filled with this question, tell me about yourself. Next slide. Do's and don'ts of face-to-face interview. কি করবে কি করবে না। সো এটা হচ্ছে ফেস টু ফেস, মানে যেখানে তুমি সামনে গিয়ে বসছো, নন অনলাইন, এটা অনলাইন নয়, যেখানে তুমি সামনে গিয়ে বসছো। আচ্ছা, রিসার্চ অ্যাবাউট দি কোম্পানি, রিভিউ দি জব ডেসক্রিপশন, the documents that you have to carry, copies of CV, photocopies of testimonials. Testimonials মানে হচ্ছে যেগুলো testify করছে তোমার সাবজেক্টটা, মানে তুমি কি পাস করেছো, 10, 12 বয়সের প্রমাণ, ডিপ্লোমা ইত্যাদি। Presentable appearance, ড্রেসিংটা হবে ফর্মাল বা কলেজ ইউনিফর্ম হতে হবে। আচ্ছা, দেন ইউ হ্যাভ টু বি পাংচুয়াল উইথ রিপোর্টিং টাইম। সকাল 10টায় তো 10টায় পৌঁছতেই হবে। ইনফ্যাক্ট 10টা যদি বলে 10:45 পৌঁছানোটাই should be the ideal case, 10:45 or at least 9:30, at least half an hour to 50 minutes before the reporting time. You have to be very confident in the interview. আত্মবিশ্বাস, confidence, you are confident about yourself. কনফিডেন্সটা কিন্তু এত সহজে আসে না। যাদের কনফিডেন্ট আছে তাদের কিন্তু বহু দিনের চর্চা সেই কনফিডেন্সের জন্য। ইফ ইউ থিঙ্ক ওয়ান ডে, এটা কিন্তু কনফিডেন্সটা কিন্তু ইটস আ প্র্যাকটিস, মানে যাদের okay, we'll not deal on that. Then what I'm trying to say is confidence shows in the interview. Okay, and then you have some you must have some appropriate body languages. Body language মানে হাব ভঙ্গি, যেখানে নন ভার্বাল, যেখানে মুখে বলছো না কিন্তু হাবভাব থেকে বুঝতে পারছি তুমি কি চাইছো, তুমি ভয়ে আছো নাকি তুমি কুকুরে আছো, বা তুমি ডমিনেট করতে চাইছো কিনা, এই ধরনের appropriate body language which you know a bit about. I mean, I think you have understanding what is a body language. This is very important in sports also. যারা ভালো স্পোর্টসম্যান তাদের কিন্তু বডি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ আলাদা হবে। ওকে, আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন, রিপ্লাই অনেস্টলি। যে কোয়েশ্চেন তোমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করছে রিক্রুটার, দ্য ইন্টারভিউয়ার, আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন, কোয়েশ্চেনটা ভালো করে শুনতে হবে। দেখো, মনটা যদি চঞ্চল হয় তাহলে কোয়েশ্চেনই শুনতে পাবে না। You have to have, remain calm and peaceful to understand so that the question falls on you, and then you reply honestly. Be truthful and don't exaggerate or bluff. ঢপ মেরো না and বাড়িয়ে বলার না, be truthful যা আছে, especially particularly if you talk about the marks. So if you are telling wrong marks and then later on it's being verified, then it can be very bad for you. Okay, so I'll quickly go through all this. I'll take the question at the end. You jot down the questions and then we'll talk in later on. Do's and don'ts of online interview. So the former was basically face-to-face interview. দেখে নাও, টপ হচ্ছে ফেস টু ফেস ইন্টারভিউ লেখা আছে। এরপরে পেজটা যে আসছি এটা হচ্ছে অনলাইন ইন্টারভিউ। অনলাইন ইন্টারভিউ কি ধরনের করছি? ফোন ক্যামেরা, ওয়েবক্যাম শুড বি ইনস্টলড ইন ফ্রন্ট অফ দ্য ফেস। যখন তোমাকে তো দেখছে, ফেসটা তো সে দেখবে, তা তোমার মুখের সামনে একটু ক্যামেরা রাখতে হবে। নো ফেস মাস্ক, দ্য ফেস শুড বি ফুললি ফ্রেমড অ্যান্ড ইভেনলি লিট। এমন জায়গায় বসতে হবে যেখানে একটু মুখে আলো পড়ে। No background noise or voices. There should not be any other people in the room. Don't get excited if admission to the interview room is getting late. অনেক সময় হয় না, access denied, কেটে দিল। তো অনেক সময় কি হয়, ধর it may so happen, suppose the reporting time online is maybe 10 and you are being they are not admitting you even after 1 hour. So don't get panicked, don't get excited. They will definitely call you. If they do not get you on video, they will definitely call you over phone and then they'll make things happen. So that's about, these are all the things about the interview. আচ্ছা, সবাই আবার কথা শুনতে পাচ্ছে তো এখনো?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Yes sir.
Thank you. Then we go to group discussion. এবার হচ্ছে গ্রুপ ডিসকাশন। বলছে গ্রুপ ডিসকাশন, একটা গ্রুপে বসে আমরা ডিসকাস করছি। यहाँ पे हिंदी वाले कितने हैं?
Yes sir.
बहुत सारे हैं क्या? Okay, anyways, let me talk in English only. Well, I'm talking in Bangla anyways. So it's a leaderless group of 8 to 12 participants who are given a specific situation or case to analyze and discuss within a given time frame. So normally, as I said, the post-pandemic, this group discussion has almost not been there because of, you understand, group things and social distancing things. But it was there before that. So it's a process of elimination. It's a process of elimination where suppose there are 100 participants. There are 100 candidates, and how do finally take the interview? Who should we call for the interview? So what they do is that they make a group of 8 to 10 participants, and they make suppose 10 groups or 5 groups, and among each participating group, they pick the best candidates. Sorry, the most suitable candidate, not the best, the most suitable candidate. And they go for the second round of interview, which is the face-to-face direct interview. Achha. So what is a group discussion? In group, what you do it, you do give a specific situation or a case to analyze the discussion. I mean, they give you a case or they give you a situation to analyze and discuss within a given time frame. এটা হচ্ছে ধরো সে মেবি it may be taking 10 minutes. So let us talk of some of the group discussion topics. The topics can be controversial, the topics can be sensitive, it could be political, it could be anything. For example, social media has done more harm than good. So a lot of people will say more harm, some will say good. So the topic that they give is very, very controversial, very difficult to say, and so you have to be very careful what you say in group discussions. So another thing, say railway should be privatized, or government banks should be privatized, or government banks should not be privatized, or we should not have any reservation in the railway compartments in the local trains, or many, I mean, there are many topics. Women are better managers than men. Okay, so many issues are to be given. So what I'm talking about is the situation of the case where it's the topic of the group discussion. So in a group discussion, what happens, like there are 10 people, many dominating, some gundas and some some not gundas. So what happens, the voice modulation is important. So you should not sound in timid also, and you should not be dominating also. So voice modulation is very important. Okay, so when you're talking, being interrupted while speaking, তুমি কথা বলছো অন্য কি এসে কেটে দিচ্ছ কথাগুলো, তো ওটা একটা সমস্যা হতে পারে। Not getting noticed, তুমি কথা বলছো কেউ শুনতেই পাচ্ছি না, you're not even getting noticed. Not knowing about the topic or situation, this is very common about everybody, even with me. Not knowing about the topic or situation, that's you come across a situation যেটা তুমি জানোই না, তুমি বলবেটা কি করে? What is the trick? এটা আমার মনে হয়েছে আগে অন্যদের বলতে দাও, ওরা বলেনি আমি শুনে নেবো। আমি কি করবো, ওইটাই গুছিয়ে গাছিয়ে ওটা একটু আরেকটু অন্য ডাইমেনশন দিয়ে আমি বলে দেবো একই কথা। তাহলে তোমার একটা সাপোর্টার পেলে, আর তুমি তাহলে ওখানে বুদ্ধি খাটিয়ে তোমার টপিক না জানলেও তুমি কিন্তু বলতে পারলে। So this I have understood it. Knowing a lot about the topic. Now there is a topic given on which you have done a lot of research, but others do not know about the topic. So what happens? Like you may try to dominate ulta hote pare, but that is not good also. But you have to be assertive without being dominating. Support someone else's ideas similar to yours. So in what you can do, the trick is to support somebody else's idea. Now you become a leader, you have support, you have a support, so that jointly you can win the race. Adapt positive body languages. So that's also what I have told about this body language in interviews and a group discussion. Why you are talking? Again, think why there is a group discussion. Because behavior as an individual and behavior is in a group is different. আমরা বাড়িতে যখন একা একা থাকি একরকম আমরা ব্যবহার, but when you are in a group you are a different person. Okay, so these are the reasons. And why group discussion? Because কোম্পানিতে টিমই কাজ করতে হয়, কোম্পানিতে একা কাজ করতে তো পারবে না, মানেটাই তো কোম্পানি মানেই তো লোক। So when you have to work with a team, you have to discuss certain issues, certain problems. So group discussion is why important. So what I try to say in group discussion, আমি আবার বলছি group discussion মানে অনেকগুলো লোক মিলে বসছে, তারা একটা বিষয় নিয়ে আলোচনা করছে। That's the thing, group discussion. তার মধ্যে থেকে একজনকে বেছে নেওয়া হবে যে কিনা পরের রাউন্ড ইন্টারভিউতে যাবে। Use simple language, correct English or হিন্দি or বাংলা। ধরো যে লিঙ্গুয়া ফ্র্যাঙ্কা দেওয়া হয়েছে, যে ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজটা বলা হয়েছে সেটাই বলতে হবে। যদি ইংলিশ বলে আই এম সরি ইংলিশটাই করতে হবে। আবার হিন্দি বলতে হবে হিন্দিতে হিন্দি বলনা পড়েগা সবকো, আর বাংলা হলে বাংলা, ঠিক আছে, অসুবিধা নেই। Choose words carefully. Don't use abusive language or don't be aggressive. Use language carefully and use the statistics. You can use numbers. This is more, this is less. At least ওইটুকু বলতে পারো। This is a larger, this is a bigger, smaller, medium size. All these use statistics. Okay. And do's and don'ts for a successful group discussion. কি করবে এবং করবে না। Do's মানে করবে, do's and don'ts মানে করবে না। আচ্ছা, bring diverse dimension to the topic. একটা দেখো, if you talk about any topic, there are diverse dimension. একটা dimension নয়, তার অনেক দিক আছে, কারণ তো সবকিছু তো interconnected, everything is interconnected. Suppose if you talk railways should be privatized, there are diverse things. There are I think 25 types of ideas, maybe out of which maybe 10 has been told. So you can add the 11th. If you're clever, you can add the 11th, the 12th, the 15th, 13th point. Okay, so bring diverse dimension to the topic. That shows your creativity and intelligence. And then you listen carefully. What the people are saying, listen to them carefully. If you listen intently, smartly, you can listen. If you are a rapt listener, you can formulate certain ideas also. Be assertive at anonymity, as I said, is very common to all the interviews, and be assertive. হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু dominate করার কিছু নেই ওখানে। Okay? কারণ অন্যরা dominate করতে পারে। সেক্ষেত্রে then they will argue and all everything. So be assertive. Keep points brief and relevant. যে কথাগুলো বলবে সেগুলো ছোট করে বলতে হবে, বেশি লম্বা সেন্টেন্স বললে তো হবেই না। Dress formal. So আর ফর্মাল ড্রেস আমি সবসময় বলছি ইন্টারভিউতে ফর্মাল ড্রেস ইজ ভেরি ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। সো প্রথম হচ্ছে অ্যাপিয়ারেন্সটা। অ্যাপিয়ারেন্স ইজ ভেরি ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। What I've said is that acha, I have one more thing here. So group discussions আমি তোমরা শুনলে, acha, I have a question here. Do's and don'ts of face-to-face interview. Research about the company, review the job description, documents, presentable appearance, formal dress, color uniform, big concept. Can anybody tell me in this group why there is a dotted line in between? I have a question for the audience. Why there is a dotted line in between? Please, I'm not trying to be clever, but I'm trying to make you think. এটা ডটেড লাইনে কেন দেওয়া হতে পারে, কি কারণ হতে পারে, একজন বলো দেখি। এই যে মাঝখানে তোমার, ক্যান ইউ সি আ ডটেড লাইন অন দ্য স্ক্রিন মাঝখানে? Hello, anyone?
Yes, sir.
So can you see a dotted line on the screen in the center?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what could be the reason? College uniform এর নিচে আর B punctual এর উপরে। আচ্ছা আমি বলে দিচ্ছি,
লাইনের উপরে করতে হবে আর নিচেগুলো করতে হবে না।
হ্যাঁ, না না একদমই নয়। আমি ম্যাক্সিমাম ডুজই করেছি, ডোন্ট আমি একটাও দিইনি। ডোন্ট একটাই দিয়েছি। আমি বলে দিচ্ছি যেটা ডটেড লাইনের উপরে আছে তুমি দেখো, ওগুলো কিন্তু যেদিন ইন্টারভিউ তার আগের দিনের কাজ। রিসার্চ অ্যাবাউট দি কোম্পানি, রিভিউ দ্য জব ডেসক্রিপশন, বলেছিলাম ইন্টারভিউ ওই যে নোটিশটা তোমাকে দিয়েছিলাম, আই গিভেন ইউ নোটিস, ইন দেয়ার ইউ হ্যাভ এ জব ডেসক্রিপশন, ওটা পড়তে হবে। You read the job description, you research about the company, company কি line of business, what is the company line of business, কোথায় কোথায় ওদের প্রজেক্ট চলছে, কোম্পানি যদি কোনো চেনাশোনা লোক থাকে ওর সঙ্গে কথা বলো। So that is the research about the company. The document, CV, photocopy test, CV তো তৈরি হয়নি এখন। CV তো তৈরি করতে অনেক সময় লেগে যায়, তোমার তো অনেকদিন আগে সময় লাগবে। You take a lot of time to make a CV. Photocopy of the testimony, তখন ঝড়প করে রাত্রি 8টার সময় মনে করলে জেরক্স হয়নি তো আধার কার্ডের, তাহলে কি হবে তখন? Then you are presentable, এই জামা কাপড় গোছানো, ক্লিনিং, এই দেখো একটা নিজেকে তৈরি করতে কত সময় লাগে। পুরো তোমার মাথার চুল থেকে পায়ের জুতো অবধি তোমার চুলটা কাটা থাকতে হবে, দাড়ি কামাতে হবে, তোমার একটা ভালো ক্লিন জামা কাপড় থাকতে হবে, জুতোটা পলিশ করা থাকতে হবে, আর কলেজ ইউনিফর্ম পরে ইউ নো অল দিস থিংস। সো এটা কিন্তু যেদিন ইন্টারভিউ তার আগের দিন কাজ হচ্ছে, তাই জন্য ডটেড লাইনটা দিয়ে। এরপরে ডটেড লাইনটা দিয়ে তারপরে থেকে কি, বি পাংচুয়াল উইথ রিপোর্টিং টাইম। Whenever is the reporting time, then you go for the reporting time. Okay, so these are the things. I don't have much to talk about. It's 3:42 now, so I think I have told a lot. Now if I am open to take any questions now. Okay, now if you have any questions you can ask me. So it's 3:42 now, we close by 4.
No, sir.
হ্যালো স্যার।
কি করে কোশ্চেন নেই তোমাদের?
হ্যালো স্যার।
হ্যাঁ বলো।
Hello sir, I am Sajjad Alam from BC 4th semester.
Yeah, please Sajjad, please go ahead.
Sir, I have 3 questions. Can I ask all of them or just single question is allowed?
You ask one, I will answer one, and then you ask the second, I ask the second. That way.
Okay, sir. Sir, my first question is, as we all know, see that our whole world is currently facing the pandemic situation, and as I am going to be a civil engineer, so and we all know that civil engineer most deals with the practical knowledge.
Yeah.
So sir, now I am currently in 4th sem, next 5th and 6th. There are only 2 sems remaining.
Yeah.
So sir, my question is, if we have no any practical knowledge, will it not affect in our interview session?
Yeah, very good question, Sajjad. You have given a thought to this subject. See, this civil is very much practical oriented, very, very important. Civil is practical oriented. See, the thing is, We all are dealing with it. Sajjad, you're not alone who is dealing with it. We all are dealing, all the students of your batch, all the students when 20 pass out, 21 pass out, and 20 pass out, everybody is dealing with it. So not to worry, it's you're not, if the problem had been your personal, then it would have a matter of concern. But since everybody, we know this situation, the recruiter would be lenient on that topic. They will give you leverage that, okay, they do not know the practical, they have not done the practical. So I don't think it is much to worry. What I'm trying to say is, whatever you have in your theory, or whatever, you at least learn the theory, know the theory, at least attend the online practical classes. We all know this is a problem with civil, it's problem with mechanical, it's problem with chemistry, all these things, which is especially the practical subjects. So that's what I said. You are not alone here, Sajjad. We all are with you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. My second question is.
Englishটা বললাম এই কারণে আমি কিন্তু I'm trying to speak in English. I'm trying to elevate your. আমি তোমাদেরকে push করতে চেষ্টা করছি ইংলিশ লেভেলে, কিন্তু তোমরা আমাকে বাংলায় জিজ্ঞেস করো, हमको तुम हिंदी में बात कर सकता है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है भाई. Don't worry. Okay. So you can speak in any language, but you can ask questions. Yeah.
Yes, sir. My second.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. My second question is, sir, you said previously that in the group discussion session, first let them talk your opponent, then say, then after their session, then you say. Sir, so my question is, when the HR or interviewer will take this group discussion session, they will of course obviously see that I do not say, I am not saying anything, I just listening them. Then they will obviously think that he is not prepared for it. He is not prepared.
Don't think that recruiter is so foolish. Don't think it's so much foolish. You may not have a subject knowledge, but if you are creative, if you have leadership skill, they will catch you. They will know you. Yeah, you have a leadership skill or a creative skill. They will actually appreciate. May also appreciate also, because they are giving the topic at random. The topics are given at random, so it's impossible for everyone in the group to get a common subject, and it is also possible that one person in the group will get a common topic, so that he will have an advantage. But the recruiter, he may not be so much fool, to take you out of the team, and somebody who was begun the session, he will only be selected, he will be left out. No, nothing to worry in that case. I don't think so. It will happen. Got it?
Okay,
so that's
sir.
the answer to your question.
You.
That's the answer to your question.
Okay, sir. I got it.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. আর কেউ জিজ্ঞেস করবে?
I think Sajjad had another Sajjad told that he has 3 questions. So did he
আচ্ছা, আর
ask?
কেউ নেই? আর কেউ ইলেকট্রিক্যাল থেকে কেউ আছে? Anybody from electrical? Anybody from survey? সার্ভেয়ার কোথায় এখানে? সার্ভেয়াররা কিছু প্রশ্ন করতে পারো আমাকে? সার্ভে সবার ফিল্ডের কাজ। শোনো, সার্ভে what I know in survey, I don't know, madam, how many could be there in survey? I mean here, 10 people? 10?
I think so, sir.
Yeah.
Hello,
So,
am I audible?
Survey guys.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There are students, the students of survey department, they are attending this webinar. So there are
Yeah.
students.
So my message to survey, my guys, survey students, please understand total station auto levels, all these things you have to know. You have to know the geography, bit of geography, you have to know all these calculations. Okay? Total station auto level, chelera, surveyors are very, very important. That is your bread and butter. That is your bread and butter. And if you know that well, you will never have any scarcity of jobs. Okay, that is my message for survey students. You have to do total station auto level. You have to do this anyhow. You have to learn it. There is no choice. And I've seen there's a big market, there's a demand for the survey people. If you know survey, even for civil people, if you can learn total station auto levels, there'll not be any scarcity of jobs. So what it's trying to say is skill, reskill, upskill, diversify your skill. Okay, so we are talking about skill. Okay, we are professionals. We should be talking about skill only. We know West Bengal State Council for Technical Education, Vocational and Skill Development. You understand that? So we are under that council. Yeah, electrical people. Any question you have?
Sir, I am Shashwat Botobal from electrical. Fourth
Yes.
sem.
Yes, Shashwat.
Sir, you told me that the impossible interview questions, that's your strength and weakness. Sir, I cannot understand that point.
your strength and weakness দেখো গুড আচ্ছা স্ট্রেংথ এন্ড উইকনেস মানে আমরা কোন জিনিসটা ভালো পারি আর কোন জিনিসটা আমরা ভালো পারি না এটা একটা নিজেকে এটা না একটু শান্ত হয়ে বসে এগুলো না ধ্যান করে এগুলো বার করতে হয় এক সময় যে আমি কি ভালো পারি। যেমন ধরো ধরো ন্যাচারালি মাস্কুলার হয় কেউ, you found না they are naturally muscular people, they may be good in sports, বা যেমন ধরো কেউ আছে তারা কেন জানি না বর্ন তারা ম্যানেজার, তারা ছোটবেলা থেকে লিডারশিপটা খুব ভালো করতে পারে, কেন জানি না ওরা টাইপটাই এরকম। বা কেউ আছে তারা ছোটবেলা থেকে দান করতে পারে স্বভাব স্বধর্ম, এই যে জিনিসটা স্বভাব স্বধর্ম যেটা আমাদের আছে সংস্কৃত বলতে পারি, সো দোজ আর দি স্ট্রেংথ এন্ড উইকনেস। এটা নিজেই স্ক্যানারে করে বার করতে হবে, সেটা তোমাকে কেউ বলে দেবে, হয়তো বলে দিতে পারবে কিছু লোক, কিন্তু আই থিঙ্ক ইটস প্রবাবলি দ্য রেসপন্সিবিলিটি অফ দ্য ক্যান্ডিডেট হিমসেলফ টু ফাইন্ড আউট হিজ ওন স্ট্রেংথ এন্ড উইকনেস। এবং স্ট্রেংথের উপরেই আমরা কাজ করবো, আর উইকনেস আই কল ইট স্ট্রেংথেন ইউর স্ট্রেংথ, উইকেন ইউর উইকনেস। তোমার যে উইকনেসটা পুরো সরিয়ে দিতে হবে আর তোমার যে স্ট্রেংথটাকে আরো স্ট্রেংথেন করতে হবে, বুঝতে পারছো? তুমি এটা নিজেকে প্রশ্ন করতে হবে যে আমার স্ট্রেংথটা কি আছে, আমি কোনটা ভালো পারি। ওকে, অনেক সময় পরিস্থিতির চাপে চাকরি বাজারে বেশি আছে বা কেউ মামা মাসি বলে দিয়েছে বলে আমরা ঢুকে গেছি, কিন্তু এটা কিন্তু নিজের বোধ, নিজের ইটস আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং অফ সেলফ দ্যাট হোয়াট ইজ মাই স্ট্রেংথ এন্ড হোয়াট ইজ মাই উইকনেস। and also I would like to say that ধরো তুমি এমন একটা জায়গায় কাজ করছো, এমন একটা সেক্টরে কাজ করছো, এমন একটা পেশায় আছো, তুমি উইকনেসটাই তোমার বারবার করে দেখা দিচ্ছে, ইট ইজ আ ভেরি গুড পসিবিলিটি, আমার উইকনেসটাই বারবার দেখা দিচ্ছে, কিন্তু I think there is a possibility of improving that weakness. There is a possibility of improving that weakness. It depends whether there is a will or not. If there is a will, there is a possibility of the strengthening the weakness. I would try to removing the weakness. So
আমি একটু অ্যাড করছি।
Yes sir,
got it.
আমি
Thank
একটু
you, sir.
অ্যাড করছি।
yes sir,
Can I add
please.
something? হ্যাঁ, স্ট্রেংথ এন্ড উইকনেসের জন্য আরো দুটো পয়েন্ট তোমাকে মনে রাখতে হবে, যে সাপোজিং somebody can speak very well and somebody can tell very good stories, আর কেউ ধরো কিন্তু খুব ভালোভাবে কথা বলতে পারে না। So you will have, by the end of the day, you will have to jot down your strength, you will jot down your weaknesses. Then only you will be able to find out what is your strength and what is your weakness, and you increase your strength and overcome the weaknesses and bring it to your strength. আমি জানি না আমি বোঝাতে পারলাম কিনা। প্রত্যেকটা স্টুডেন্ট, প্রত্যেক ব্যক্তিরই একটা কিছু স্ট্রেংথ থাকে, কিছু উইকনেস থাকে। কারোর হয়তো লিডারশিপ কোয়ালিটি থাকে। দেখবে তোমরা পাঁচজন যখন ঘুরছো তখন কিন্তু সবাই হয়তো একজনকে, এই তুই টিকিট গুলো কাট, এই তুই এটা কর, হ্যাঁ তুই ওটা কর, যে দেখবে একই ছেলেকে তুমি অনেক জিনিসই করতে বলছো, দেন হি ইজ দ্য লিডার। সো এবং ইউ আর দ্য ফলোয়ার, it is not that followers are bad or leader is very good. So you will have to be one, either you will have to be leader or you will have to be follower. I think strength and weakness টা নিজেদের মন থেকে তোমরা নিজেরাই প্র্যাকটিস করে বার করতে পারবে। and best way is that if you ask your friends, they can also help you that what is my strength, what is my weakness. They can tell you your strength, they can tell you your weakness, because otherwise you may exaggerate yourself. Okay, I do not know whether I've been able to explain or to tell you correctly, but you will have to find out.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
And above all, you will have to have, to crack an interview, you will have to have self-confidence. This is, in my life, I think that this is very important. If you think that you will not be able to do very good in the interview in the beginning, then you are gone. But you will have to think yourself that I will win the job. So you will have to have self-confidence, and you will have to grow your self-confidence. I'm not quite sure whether I've been explained to you correctly, but the thing is that you will have to have self-confidence. Okay, over.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I have one question. Can I ask about from a student side?
Yes, definitely. It's question for whom? Question for whom?
Actually, that is question from student side. It's
Acha,
not
acha.
about.
Who
It's
should
not
answer
like
it? Madam achen, sir ache, ami ache. Who should answer it?
You will give that answer.
Okay,
properly.
okay, please go ahead.
Actually, the question is that as we all know about, that is a pandemic situation from that time. Okay, so we have survived a lot of problem, like as we know that about there is so many interview regarding on online platform. Okay, so think whenever we going for a online platform as an interview, so we have surviving a lot of network issue and internet problem, and also some eye contact at there. So in that situation, how we can deal with that situation? So if I am surviving with a network issue and there are 3 to 4 interviewer who will asking me about the interview question, and the network issue are there jerking. So in that situation, how to control my emotions about that interview timing? So will you elaborate about this?
Yeah, it's a very relevant question. In that case, you have to use the telephonic interview. You have what you have to do. If you clever, you call to the call up your maybe the coordinator. Say, let us take it is the training placement officer, or it is maybe the company HR. If you have their phone number, call them and tell your problems. Just sir, हमको ये problem है. I am not able to connect with you. I have some connectivity issues. So can you take the interview after maybe half an hour, or can we do it online, telephonic, or can we do it? Can I come to your office? Maybe see, I don't think the pandemic will be lasting forever, and this lockdown will not last forever. It's not possible. So can I come to your office and give the interview? I'm very much interested for this job. So what I'm trying to say is, you can call them, telephone, उनको बात करो उनसे, बात करो, बोलो सर मेरा connection खराब है, मेरा phone खराब, whatever it is, I want to do the interview telephonic. Now is it possible now? So that is
and
one
that situation, don't be a panic, isn't it, sir?
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. Do not panic. Do not get excited. Do not get overexcited. One more thing I tell you, Irfan, is that whenever company is not able to connect you, if you are a candidate for the company, if you are a candidate, वो तुम्हारा choice का candidate है. If you have submitted the CV and everything, if he is a candidate of your choice, वो तुम्हें ढूंढ लेगा. तुमको जाने का जरूरत नहीं है. तुमको वो ढूंढ लेगा. He will call you. The recruiter will himself call you. And then क्या हुआ था? तुम join क्यों नहीं हुआ? Why did you join? So it has happened. I'll tell you an example. I mean, it will make it longer. But this has happened in a big company interview. The boys have started crying. And then, however, we connected the boy with the telephonic. The company take the entire interview telephonic. And there, even actually was selected also. It's a story. I can write a story on that. He was selected also. So the alternate is telephonic interview. Yeah, that's my answer. If Preetha can add something, or Sir Jayesh sir can add something, you can add it.
No, sir, that's all for me. Thank you for information, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Devolin.
Myself, Anubhav Jana from DC, 4th semester. I have a question, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Mainly in a face-to-face interview, the interviewer asked that why you think we should recruit you. What should be the answer to this?
Okay, why should we hire you? Why should we select you? You see, Anubhav. See, I will not tell you. I can't tell you the answer. I will not tell you the answer. I have more questions than answers. See, why should you hire you? If I give you a ready-made answer, you will not be creative also. So, because I've applied for this job, maybe I have some possibility. I have many possibilities of being selected. So you have to find out those strengths that you have, which would be beneficial for this particular job. You have the job description. If you have the job description, if you have the company, you have done the research on the company, you have to tell them, "Ki boss, I can do this. मुझे ये करना आता है. I can do this. This is my strength. I love this job. I can do this. I can do that." So once you are giving some answers with conviction, they will definitely hire you. But that's what I'm trying to say. You have to find out your own strengths. And naturally, what I'm trying to say is, you would apply in those jobs only where you are suitable. So I think the answer lies, you have to answer it yourself. Okay, find out your strengths. Find out your strengths and what is their job description. Try to match those things. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Sir, and another question is that they also even sometimes ask that how much salary do you expect from us?
Yeah. See, normally salaries, See, normally when we were young people, I know of your age, we used to say whatever is your salary structure. আপনারা যা দেবেন আপনাদের যা salary structure আমি সেটাই নেব. So see, already you have already the notice inviting application that shows the salary. That salary is shown. Okay, but we all understand nowadays the salary is not very high for for in the engineering field. Anyways, but that is given in the notice. Okay. So you can say the expectation, but whatever is written in the salary package in the notification, do not go very high. Suppose it is written 10,000, and you say, sir, I'm expecting 12,000. So that much you can do. Maybe you can ask for a 10-15% extra, but do not ask for. Suppose you have applied for a job which is 10,000, you're asking 20,000, then that will be that will be inappropriate in that case.
I would like to add
Yes, sir, please.
See, salary expectation for the beginners or for the freshers, you cannot really bargain anything at the moment. You will have to have your experience. So stay in the job for few years, and then you know your market value, and then you can demand for more. But initially, possibly, it is not, you'll not be able to get it what you want. But what is the industry way, the salary they are giving? I think you can little bit bargain, but if you are given the chance. But if you are not given the chance, then you need not bargain. That will not be good. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
হ্যালো স্যার।
হ্যাঁ দেবলিন বলো।
স্যার বলছি স্যার, যদি মানে এরকম হয় যে ধরুন যখন আমাকে ইন্টারভিউতে প্রশ্ন যখন করা হবে, তখন স্যার মানে এরকম কি কোনো ব্যাপার থাকে যে মানে আমি সব কোশ্চেনের সঠিক উত্তর দিলেই আমাকে সিলেকশন হবে, নাকি ধরুন যদি কোন কোশ্চেনের অ্যান্সার আমি তখন আমার মানে
মনে না পড়ে
ভুলে যাই, তাহলে কি আমার সিলেকশন হবে না?
না, এরকম কিছু ব্যাপার নাই, কিছু ব্যাপার না, না এরকম নয়।
That depends on the interviewer. Basically, that depends on the interviewer. But if you cannot answer anything correctly, then I think you cannot expect more. Have you understood? বুঝেছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ওকে,
যদি তুমি কোনো কোশ্চেনের উত্তর দিতে না পারো, কেউ যদি উত্তর দিতে না পারে, তাহলে ন্যাচারালি দি ইন্টারভিউয়ার যিনি কোশ্চেন করছেন তিনি তার একটা he will not like it. But okay, I do not know what will be the average or what will be the number of questions you should correctly answer. That all depends on the interviewer and the position they are calling for you. Okay.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay, Preeta, it's 4:02 now, so we have crossed the time. So, what is your decision? So, can we close?
Sir, nothing like that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, nothing like that. I just waiting for the students if they have any questions or if they have any doubt regarding this interview and all these things regarding campus recruitment and all this. For that reason only. So students, if you have any more questions, you can put your questions right now, because Shuman sir is there. We have Jayesh Dhar sir with us, so you will get a perfect answer for your question. So without hesitation, you can put your question.
Ma'am, can I ask?
Yes, sure.
Yes.
Ma'am, group discussion is a necessary part for every interview.
No, as I mentioned, no, it's not necessary. Okay, why group discussion? যখন ছেলে অনেক বেশি হয়ে যায়, candidate খুব বেশি, when there are too many candidates and very little number, very few vacancies, in that case there is a filter. There is a filter how you screen out the boys, screen out the candidates. No, it is not necessary. As also mentioned, post pandemic, after this pandemic has come, group discussion I have not seen for the last 1.5 years. It's not happening now.
Okay, sir.
And another thing, that in TPI, you get chance of getting the practice of group discussions in our aptitude session, which is called career development training. So if you attend this career development training, you will be able to learn a lot of tricks, and which will be really very helpful during your interview. And we shall prepare you on these lines, and you should be prepared for the technical, because after all, technical will play very, very important role, which I am again and again telling. But only this is group discussions, aptitude, and languages. These are all the process of elimination. So, if you are prepared, if you attend all the classes in CDT, I'm really I'm hopeful that you'll be able to answer, or you will be able to do very well in these tests.
স্যার আমার একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল।
Yes,
হ্যাঁ
move forward.
বলছি স্যার যে যদি কোনো ইন্টারভিউয়ার যদি আমার কোনো কোশ্চেন করে, সেই কোশ্চেনের অ্যান্সারটা যদি ডেসক্রিপ্ট সহকারে ভালোভাবে দিতে হয়, তো সেই কোশ্চেনের অ্যান্সারটা আমার ধরো কোশ্চেনের অ্যান্সারটা আমার জানা আছে, কিন্তু অ্যান্সারটা ইংলিশে আমি অত কনফিডেন্স সহকারে ভালোভাবে দিতে পারবো না, তখন কি ম্যাম স্যার আমি ওইখানে হিন্দি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ ইউজ করতে পারবো, না আমি ইংলিশেই দিতে
Hindi language,
দেওয়াটা better হবে?
then now Suman, will you speak?
No, sir, you can continue, sir. Please answer, sir. You can answer this question.
না, কোশ্চেনটা হচ্ছে তুমি যদি ইংরেজিতে বলতে না পারো, and if you are fortunate that the interview board consists of people from Bengal, then possibly you'll be able to ask them, sir, can I speak in either Bengali or in Hindi? Hindi will be preferable, but in the interview board there are non-Bengalis, then you should go for Hindi if you are really unable to speak in English.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anybody else?
Students, if you have any more questions, you can put your questions. Otherwise, we will end this session. Do you have any more questions? I don't think so. Okay, I don't think students have any more questions. So we had a very good session. This webinar was really helpful for the students of fourth semester. I think the students also feel so, as I do feel. Thank you, Shuman Shikdar sir, again for your support, and I also thank Jayesh Dhar sir, because his presence had made this session more enriching. So thank you, sir. Thank you, students. And I think the viewers who are watching this live session, they will also be helpful. They will also get some help from this particular session. And mainly if they are students like of fourth semester, or students of any other technical institutes. So they will also be helpful, I think so. So thank you everyone, and thank you students for cooperating with us. And I also thank the viewers for watching this session. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Okay, one thing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
By the end of the day, by the end of the day, I thank all the students who have joined, and they have made this session very lively by their questions, and whatever we could do, we could answer. And I'm thankful to Shuman Shikdar for his very good topic. I mean, the selection of topic and the way he has explained to you. And above all, I really am very thankful to Pitha Banerjee.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Same here. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, everyone.